Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just FaceTime not working on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So first you just go to the settings and check your internet connection. So just find here Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after just open mobile data or cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after just go to the general, in the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again, so just simple restart your phone. Also you can try to update your system, so just go to the general, in the general just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And the latest option you can try to open FaceTime, so just find here FaceTime, just tap on it, and also you can try to reactivate your FaceTime, so just turn off and turn on again. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.